Saint Thomas Aquinas and his Summa Theologica by Luke Bidanost. Saint Thomas Aquinas was a Dominican friar from Italy who lived from 1225 to 1274. Aquinas is known as one of the greatest names in scholasticism because of his work done in his Summa Theologica, which he created himself. The picture here on the left shows Saint Thomas Aquinas holding his Summa, which he divided into three parts: God as he relates to man, and Christ as mediator between God and man. The picture in the middle shows Aristotle because Aristotle influenced Aquinas' life through his work. According to Vidmar, page 144, in using the newly rediscovered texts of Aristotle, Thomas so revolutionized the study of theology. The last picture on the right shows a question mark amongst the shadow of a cross. This is because Aquinas' teachings in the Summa ask questions such as, can it be proved that God exists? His Summa also makes us question our own faith and what we truly believe in. Faith and Reason examines the relationship between faith and the development of the intellect. St. Thomas Aquinas' work in the Summa best exemplifies faith and reason. This is because the Summa makes us ask questions about faith, which develops and strengthens our intellect. Vidmar states Thomas's theology is considered the only complete theology in that he begins at the beginning and ends at the end and asks all the questions in order. With this quote, Vidmar is saying that Aquinas asks all the theological questions in order that will help people better comprehend their own faith. Vidmar's interpretation. Vidmar interprets, what is important here is that Aquinas is building a case systematically. Look at the questions he asks and see how he progresses from basic ones to more difficult ones. The questions below start off basic and eventually get harder and more difficult. As the questions progress, they make you think more and raise questions amongst your own faith. 4 marks. 1. The Church works to unite the world and God. St. Thomas Aquinas hoped to do the same. He wished to bring everyone together with his work and teachings. Aquinas wanted to unite the Church as one with his questions in the Summa. Works cited.